Hello viewers, welcome to Semantics and Mathematics. In this video, we will analyze a very nice question which is the cube root of 5 and minus 1. Okay, this question will not easily solved by using the technique of rationalization and using the formula a plus b into a minus b. Okay, because here the 5 is in the form of cube root, so we have to use some other technique. Okay, and we also know that rationalization means making denominator rational. That means we have to make the denominator of the given questions in the form of rational number. Okay, what may be the numerator? It may be rational or irrational. Okay, but here in order to rationalize the given number, we have to use some other technique which we will discuss forward. Okay, now let a is equal to cube root of 5 and b is equal to 1. Now if we cube a, we get cube root of 5 whole cube. Now here both three which are reciprocal to each other will get cancelled out, and that's why we get a cube is equal to 5. Okay, and similarly in case b, when we cube b, we get 1 cube. And now both have become a cube is equal to 5 and b cube is equal to 1. If we subtract a cube minus b cube, then we get 5 minus 1, which on subtraction give 4, and 4 is nothing but it is irrational number. Now we have to use this formula a cube minus b cube, which is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Okay, now the value of a is cube root of 5 and b is 1, so a minus b is equal to cube root of 5 minus 1, and similarly a square plus ab plus b square will be equal to cube root of 5 whole square plus cube root of 5 into 1 plus 1 square. Okay, now here the power of 5, first term 5 will be 2 by 3 and the middle term will be 1 by 3. This is the value of a square plus ab plus b square. Now the next step we have to do is we have to multiply this factor in the numerator and denominator. Okay, by doing this we get, as you can see here. Okay, when we multiply this factor, that means 5 power 2 by 3 plus 5 power 1 by 3 plus 1 to the numerator and denominator, we get the following result, in which numerator will be equal to 5 power 2 by 3 plus 5 power 1 by 3 plus 1 divided by cube root of 5 minus 1 into 5 power 2 by 3 plus 5 power 1 by 3 plus 1. Okay, but we know that the denominator is as the value of a cube minus b cube. Okay, which is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So we can use this formula in the denominator in order to make it simple, and so its denominator will become cube root of 5 whole cube minus 1 cube. Okay, and the value of cube root of 5 whole cube is nothing but 5, and similarly the value of 1 cube will be equal to 1, so the overall value of the denominator will become 5 minus 1. Okay, and 5 minus 1 is nothing but 4. Okay, so this is the value of the given number. Thanks for watching.